girl, you are the queen.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making a DIY hair detangler using okra. I'll be making okra gel from okra water, so I hope you enjoy everything. As you see right here, I already have my okra. I'm just going to wash them out so as to bring out all the impurities from the okra. I'll just wash them thoroughly, then I'll be ready to start my okra water making process. So I hope you stay tuned to the channel, comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So after washing out the okra real good, I'm just going to cut them into smaller sizes. You can cut your okra into half, but I preferred to cut mine into little chunks. This is so that it can increase the surface area, because I didn't have so much time on my hand. I had like 30 minutes to get the gel out of the okra and use it as we go. So that's why I decided to cut my okra into smaller pieces, as you will see me do later. As at now, I'm just cutting out the tips of the okra, then just making out everything to be as nice as possible, as you can see right here. So after I'm done doing all that, this is the point where I'm cutting my okra into small chunks, as you see right here. And as I said earlier, you don't have to cut them into smaller chunks. Just make sure maybe you cut it into half or something of the sort. But because I didn't have much time on my hands, that's why I decided to cut it into very tiny pieces. And also something that I would like to let you know are the benefits of okra on the hair. Okra, as you know, okay, many people use it as food. Some people drink the water, but I can tell you right now that while I was making, like when I made this okra, the water really, it had this smell that wasn't really good to me. So I'm never going to drink okra water. That's it's just a no-no for me. Apart from using it on my hair, maybe eat it or something. Anyways, for the benefits of okra water to the hair. First of all, as we all know, the okra is slimy, and you will see later how slimy this substance is when I get to put it on my hair. So the first thing that okra really does to the hair, is that it moisturizes the hair. The sliminess of the okra really makes the hair so soft and manageable to work on, especially for me, because I have a tight, kinky hair. It really did help out during my detangling process, because it makes the hair smooth and the white tooth comb can just pass slowly and without any resistance through the hair. So that's one of the benefits of the okra water. It also promotes hair growth due to its various vitamins and nutrients which are found in the okra. One example of the minerals is like the folate mineral, which helps in cell division and also in the production of new cells. That is regeneration, right? Another vitamin in the okra is the vitamin C, which helps in the synthesis of collagen, vitamin K, which helps in the vitamin K, which promotes blood circulation, vitamin B5, which prevents hair loss and also enhances the overall health of the hair. Also in the okra there is calcium, which helps in creating the hair structure to be strong. It also promotes healthy hair follicles and prevention of breakage. We also have magnesium in the okra. This magnesium helps in prevention of hair loss and also supports hair growth by contributing to the hair follicle health, and also zinc, which helps in cell production and repair, meaning these gel or okra water, if you say, really helps in the growth of hair and also reduction of breakage, which is also a good thing to the hair care, right? Okra also helps in scalp health. This is because it maintains the scalp health by providing essential nutrients and also promotes a balanced pH. We all know that if you have healthy scalp, your hair will definitely be healthy. So that's one of the things that the okra water really helps in the hair. It also adds shine and radiance to the hair, as it also soothes the hair follicle. This okra really just generally, it has a lot of benefits to the hair, be it natural or not natural. It just has a lot of benefits. Let me know in the comment section if you would try making this DIY homemade okra water, if you'd love to use it, and if so, and if you wouldn't love to use it, why not? Let's have that conversation in the comment section. Anyways, at this point my okra water is already done. As you've seen, it's about 30 minutes later. Everything is done. I'm just sieving out the water from the actual okra plant, and this is what I have. You can see the mucilage in there, the slimy substance in there. That's the good stuff that will help during the detangling process, because my okra water, I'm just going to use it during my detangling process, and it will help me a lot, that I am sure of, because my kinky hair will just love this. And I think I'll do a video on how I detangle my hair using this okra water. See all that slime, guys. See all of that. If you don't think this is a good detangler as at now, I don't know. It is cheap, it's very economical, you can afford it. If you don't have enough funds or resources to purchase the store-bought detangling chemicals or what have you, you can just make this at the comfort of your home. So yeah guys, this is what I have. I am just transferring my okra water from the cooking pot into this dish, then I'll go ahead and just detangle my hair. Look at that yumminess, guys, look at that. Anyways, thanks for staying to this point, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.